Next we are discussing Apollonius theorem. According to this one, we have a triangle ABC. From angular point A, we are drawing median, that is AD. So AD is what? Median. Okay, and we know that median divides opposite side in the ratio 1:1. तो यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं BD divided by DC. This is what? 1/1. This will come. Okay, now we are discussing Apollonius theorem. What is Apollonius theorem? AD square plus BD square into 2. Okay, so we can say 2 times AD square plus BD square. Okay, this is equal to what? See, AD we are drawing from angular point A. So AD square plus BD square into 2 equal to what? This side is square, AC square, plus this side is square, AB square. So these two are equal according to Apollonius theorem. Now we are discussing proof of this one. So we are discussing proof. Okay, so for proof what we are doing? See, BD and DC ratio is what? 1:1. तो यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं that BD equal to what? DC. This we can. Okay. Then BD plus DC equal to what? BC. Okay. So we know that BC equal to what? BD plus DC. Okay. So this will come what? BC equal to what? BD plus DC. So DC is what? BD only. So यहाँ से क्या जाएगा? This is 2 times BD. So what is BD? BC divided by 2. This will come. Okay, now what we are doing? We are taking triangle ABD. We are taking triangle ABD. We are taking triangle ABD. This angle we are finding. This angle is what? B. So what we are using? Cos B. Cos B is what? We are taking triangle ABD. So what will come? BD square plus AB square minus AD square divided by 2 times BD into AB. This will come. Okay. Similarly, we are taking triangle ABC. According to triangle ABC, cos B, same angle we are finding, cos B. What is cos B? So cos B equal to what? AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square minus AC square divided by 2 times AB into BC. AB into BC. This will come. Okay. So cos B is what? Same. That means this is equal to this one. Okay. So from here we can say that BD square plus AB square minus AD square divided by 2 times BD into AB. This is equal to what? AB square plus BC square minus AC square divided by 2 times AB into BC. This will come. Okay. Now what we can do? BD square as it is plus AB square as it is minus AD square divided by 2 times BD into AB. This one is as it is. Now here AB square as it is plus BC square. Okay. So here BC equal to what? 2 times BD. So what is BC square? This one we can add what? 4 times BD square minus AC square as it is divided by 2 times AB as it is BC. So what is BC? 2 times BD. So this becomes 2 times BD. Now here 2 times BD getting cancelled. AB getting cancelled. Okay, so 2 we are multiplying here. So what will come? 2 times BD square plus 2 times AB square minus 2 times AD square equal to AB square plus 4 times BD square minus AC square. This will come. Okay, so this is 2 times BD square and this is what? 4 times BD square. So here this is 2 times BD square is remaining. Okay, similarly 2 times AB square and 1 time AB square. So here 1 time AB square is remaining. Clear? This one minus 2 times AD square. Okay, and this one minus AC square. Just we rewriting. Okay, so this will come what? AB square minus 2 times AD square, and this side what is remaining? 2 times BD square minus AC square. This is remaining. Okay, so minus 2 times AD square we are taking this side, and minus AC square we are taking this side. So what will come? This I writing here. So this one we can write what? AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times AD square plus 2 times BD square. So this will come what? AB square plus AC square equal to 2 we can take common. So this will come 2 times AD square plus BD square. This will come. Okay. So this is your Apollonius theorem. So these two are same only. Okay. So this formula is useful for finding median. Length of median we can find out by using this formula. Okay. Where BD is what? BD is what? BC divided by 2, and BC is what? A. So this is A by 2. Okay. And we know AC. What is AC? AC is nothing but what? This side B. And what is AB? AB is what? C. So we can use this formula and we can find out AD.